Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, hope you're all well. So today's video is going to be a lookbook. So it's an Eid inspirational lookbook. I got a few pieces from Diya online, and I'm just going to show you some of the pieces that I got. So this is the first outfit, and it's this gorgeous modest dress which looks like this, and I got it in size medium. It's super pretty. I paired it with this grey hijab because the detailing on the sleeves are basically silver. There's a little bit of like white gold kind of color, but I thought the silver would complement it really well, and I feel like if I wore dark purple it would have been too much. This breaks up the dress a little bit, so it looks like this. But yeah, let me just show you properly. Like the sleeve detail is so pretty. And there's also this scarf that matches, and I matched it with like silver pointy shoes, which I also feel like complements this outfit. It's a really gorgeous, super modest piece. This is great for like if you've got family coming over, or you know you're going to Eid prayers, stuff like that basically. So this is the second outfit that I've got. This is a four-piece outfit, so it comes with the trousers, the dress, the kimono, and a black scarf as well. This is the third and last outfit. I really like this outfit and I really love the fabric. Let me just show you up close. It's a really gorgeous thin cotton fabric, and I feel like when I go India, inshallah, I'd love to keep this and wear it there because it's just so nice and thin. And also I love the detailing on the skirt. It's so pretty. Also, I actually love the way this turban looks with the scarf like this. I think it's so pretty. Actually, I think I prefer it with the scarf like this, and it's just super cool. I decided to style my turban like this because I feel like it kind of complements this outfit because of like the big sleeves and stuff. It just, I don't know, I really like it, and I love the color of the scarf matching to the dress like this. So that's the end of the video. That's 3 looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration for your Eid looks. Do check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.